Affiliate marketing advice, tips that will make a difference. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn some extra cash or get some extra traffic to your website. However, there's lots of conflicting idea around and it can be difficult to know where to start or how to take your performance to the next level. This video contains advice about how to make affiliate marketing work for you. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money. Instead of actually owning the products, you refer people to buy them and make a commission off of it. One easy way to do this would be to post your website or product on a forum or blog in order to get the most people possible. Avoid using services that hide domain ownership. It is believed that Google checks whether website owners have hidden their domain ownership information with services like domains by proxy and penalizes their sites by either reducing their rankings or increasing the time that the sites sit in the sandbox, the informal name given to the ranking penalty given to new sites until they prove themselves. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. Understand the true concepts behind affiliate marketing. Spam tactics and pressure to buy will not help you to increase your sales. Remember that only people who actually buy a product will generate revenue for you. Just because someone clicks on a link does not mean you get paid. Understanding the concept can make all the difference between success and failure. In affiliate marketing, you will find products you love, as well as merchants and networks that you love to work with. You must remember that the affiliate marketing business is a business, not a romance. If a particular partnership grows unprofitable, you must be prepared to cut it off, no matter how enamored you are with the partner or their products. Making affiliate marketing work for you really is just a case of learning about the process and putting that knowledge into action. This video has given you some ideas about how you could use it or improve it in your business. Now it's just a case of picking whichever suggestions appeal the most and putting them into practice. Student loan.